Hi everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Nguyen, and today I'm thrilled to share some amazing secrets and recipes from Vietnamese cuisine. Today we're going to explore the magic of Vietnamese food. From the colorful street food to traditional dishes passed down through generations, each dish has its own story. Vietnamese food transforms simple ingredients into extraordinary meals. We'll see how familiar ingredients like rice, vegetables, and meat can become creative and delicious dishes. We'll use fresh herbs, spices, and skillful techniques to create layers of flavor that will make your taste buds dance. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and spices like pepper and chili will make the dishes extra special. I'll share 5 of my favorite tips to elevate your cooking with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. These tips will not only help you cook better, but also save time and effort. Let's get started. Let's explore and experience the wonderful things that Vietnamese cuisine has to offer. I believe you'll love every moment of this journey. We've all been there, opening the fridge and seeing only the usual vegetables and meat. We often feel bored cooking the same dishes over and over, nothing new. This can take the joy and creativity out of everyday cooking. But what if you could turn those familiar ingredients into something new and exciting? Imagine creating unique and appealing dishes from ingredients you already have in your fridge. This not only saves you time and money, but also brings joy and excitement to cooking. That's where these Vietnamese cooking tips come in. With traditional and modern Vietnamese cooking techniques, you can transform simple ingredients into delicious and colorful dishes. These tips will help you discover new and exciting ways to cook. Get ready to break free from the cooking rut and add a little Vietnamese flavor to your life. By adding characteristic Vietnamese spices and ingredients, you'll bring a new and appealing flavor to your meals. Let's explore and experience the richness of Vietnamese cuisine today. Our first tip is the umami bomb marinade for meats, chicken, tofu, or seitan. Mix fish sauce, soy sauce, brown sugar, freshly minced ginger and garlic, and black pepper. Marinate for at least 30 minutes, the longer, the better. This marinade will make your meat tender, flavorful, and irresistibly delicious. For our second tip, we'll explore fresh herbs, the secret weapon of Vietnamese cuisine. Prepare a simple herb platter with cilantro, mint, Thai basil, and sawtooth coriander. Wash and arrange them on a plate. When eating, roll a few sprigs of herbs and enjoy the fresh flavor in every bite. It's like a party in your mouth. Ready for the amazing pickled dish? Pickles will add a tangy and crunchy flavor to your meal. Use rice vinegar, sugar, salt, and your favorite vegetables like carrots, daikon radish, and cucumbers. Soak them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and you have a perfect tangy and crunchy side dish. For the last tip, let's make a magical sauce that can transform your dish. Start with condensed milk. Add lime juice for a sour taste and a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Drizzle it over grilled meat, fresh spring rolls, or use it as a dipping sauce. It'll be a flavor explosion in your mouth. So we've got 5 easy Vietnamese cooking tips. These tips not only help you cook better, but also bring joy and creativity to the kitchen. We made the umami bomb marinade, a special marinade that helps the meat absorb the spices and become more flavorful. We explored fresh herbs, the essential greens in Vietnamese cuisine, and how to quickly pickle vegetables to make your meal more appealing. And we can't forget the secret dipping sauce, a signature sauce that enhances the flavor of the dish. Cooking should be a fun and adventurous activity, a chance for you to experiment with new recipes and create unique dishes. So experiment and make these tips your own. Don't be afraid to change and add your own ideas. Share your favorite cooking tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes and helpful tips. We'll constantly update new videos to help you become a talented chef. See you in the next videos where we'll explore more interesting things about food. Have fun cooking and be successful with your dishes.